Hey, come on in with me right quick, guys. I'll go ahead and take a look at the Model YL in person, contemplating on purchasing that bad boy for a good investment. So come on along with me inside here as I check it out. Come on, let's go.
Kind of the trim on here just being all black, and that's what.
Okay.
That's the main differences there. And then, of course, you've got your captain's rose, things like that.
Yes.
You fold everything down, all automatic, makes life very easy. You know what I mean?
Yes.
So you've got all that there. Vents in the back helps the third row passengers pretty nice. Heated and ventilated seats in the first 2 rows.
Right.
Heated seats just in the back row.
Oh, he just in back row. Okay.
Yeah, very back row, just heated. But yeah, very, very nice vehicle.
So kind of almost like was a Model the X in a way.
Correct. Yeah, it takes a lot of similarities from it. Yes, sir.
Gotcha,
yeah,
gotcha.
It's about 7 inches longer than the standard Model Y, and you kind of feel it.
I was looking at it. I'm thinking about purchasing because of I want for fully autonomous. Like I know the concept of Robo-Taxi, but I want to kind of like have it doing service for people, but more like a luxury stuff. You know,
I like it. Yeah.
Sitting back there because this is gonna have it got the hardware for it, right? Okay.
Yes, sir. Full self-driving.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And then once they release full autonomous, it should be it'll be able for it, right?
Correct. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm not sure when that'll be.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. I know. I ain't actually. Yeah. Tesla. I know how Tesla works. I just want. Okay. Yeah. So it is roomy. Oh my gosh. Yes. Yes. This is roomy. So you got your black color. What was the options again? Black.
Yep. About
the color options.
Yeah. So black, white. Yeah.
And a cream.
Stealth gray.
It's not it's not the 100% white though, right? It's a different type white.
It's like that pearl. Yeah.
And what they're predicting the orders length again, roughly?
So these ones launch edition will deliver by December.
By December.
Then after that it becomes 3 to 4 weeks.
Let me see how much. Oh yeah, I like this. This is much room. Oh my gosh, this is much better too. The room is here. Yes, I like it. It's like sitting in a limo for real now. We all got the amber lighting around. I like. Is the lunch only one gonna be able to do that what it just did?
One more time.
Is the lunch series only one gonna be able to do what it just did? You know, like with the display and stuff like that. Is that the lunch only one do that?
Right. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay.
This one it's in showroom mode too.
Okay, I got you.
Showing you different ones there.
This on the color y'all have right now?
Correct. Yes, sir.
And this is the silver, midnight silver.
Yep, this one, this one they call it the cosmic silver. Yes, sir.
I like it. I like it. Much room. Much room. And you guys doing? You know, I ain't doing a day, but are they doing demo drives on these yet? Not yet. Okay, just the regular ones. I seen a red one in the thing, like that one, like the performance one.
Yep.
Okay. He said, "How much difference?" Man, I like. You can even see the difference with the glass. It's the rear quarter panel glass. Look at that. Look at it there. Yes. I want that one.
So between 3 and 4, because people are running stuff. Between 3 and 4, you send your recap that you got in. I got 5 SOs, 3 data drives, 1 order, 20 calls. What's the reason behind? So we can check.
Yes. I'm thinking about doing this one. It will only make sense. It will only make sense and make sense to be a good advantage of doing what I want to work with. So yeah, we definitely going to look at possibly going that route. Electrify the world, baby. I definitely like it. I like the new Model YL. See, I can get one of these and have my people doing fully autonomous, getting people rides into the airport in style, but plenty room. I like it. It's there. Look at all this room right here you have. See, this is a regular performance YL. You see the difference. This one still got the room too, but can't never go wrong with having the extra room. Really don't need performance for what I want to use this for. I mean, this one still have the room too, but wouldn't necessarily need the performance version. This is what I'm aiming for right here. Picking you up in style at the airport and so on, with nobody in the front seat. Stay tuned. Oh, it's beautiful. Girl, baby. You already know. Motors. That's Plaid unit right quick. Plaid drive motors. The beast that has a lot of people intimidated and scared to run at the track. Just by that. Don't want to. And the lightweight heat pump as well. But have a lot of them intimidated at the track. Plaid motors. Then when you have someone to maybe put that spice to it, if you know, you know, put that spice to it, make it do what it do, even greater. But yeah, for the ones that don't know, this is what you call the Plaid drive unit. That's at the rear of it. This is the rear motor for each wheel individually, and then the front one big one. So that will give you your tri motors there. They was gonna come out with a Plaid Plus, was gonna be another beast, but they decided to drop that. So we wait to see what the roaster gonna do now. But definitely, really considering investing in the Model YL for great reasons. Stay tuned to locked into the channel and see what we come up with. It's your boy. All right, once again, I am really feeling the Model YL extra long room, and yeah, just trying to determine if it'll be a good investment. Like I said, this is a performance Y right here, is again in the red. So I actually want to get a chance to just drive that bad boy first. So I'm gonna be looking for them to allow demos for that, which hopefully will be soon. Alrighty, I'm out. I gotta go handle some business here. Catch me on the next one. Definitely like, share, subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more. EVsmokeATX. Peace. like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell.